How to cancel NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can cancel your NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is log into your YouTube TV account. Over here, click on the profile icon in the upper right corner and then click on settings. After that, you will be taken to the membership page. Then locate the NFL Sunday ticket in your memberships. Over here, you will see a Manage button next to it. After that, click on the Manage button. Then select the option to cancel. You will be asked to provide a reason for canceling. If you don't want to provide a specific reason, you can select Other and type something. Finally, click Continue Canceling and follow any additional confirmation prompts to complete the process. So that's how you can cancel your NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. That's all for this video.